From the Object Library of the Polygon Modeling Project, click on the steeple object. Note the variety of different faces that comprise the object. We have 3-sided, 4-sided, and 5-sided faces. Also, faces with concave edges and faces with edges made up of multiple segments. With the entire object selected, we will click once on the Quad Divide tool. Note the pattern of division on the faces of the object. Note that the tool will always create faces with 4 segments. Some faces are of such a shape that the tool will not work on them. Faces with concave features such as this will not divide. This is because a division vertex will be created outside the face. For quad division to work on such a face, we need to eliminate the concave feature. Right-click on the steeple to bring up the context-sensitive point editing tool. Select the Add Edges tool and draw an edge from the back vertex to the front one. Click on the Object Selection tool to select the entire object, and then click on the Quad Division tool. Note how the faces divide. Note that the concave face on the bottom of this feature still did not divide. There are times when only select faces will require quad division. Quad division will work on a single selected face or multiple face selections. Right-click on the steeple to bring up the point editing tools again. We will select a face and quad divide it. Only the selected face is divided. We will now select multiple faces that share edges or a vertex or are totally separated. Again, upon clicking the Quad Divide tool, only the selected faces are divided. Note that the order in which faces are divided will affect how the surrounding faces are divided later. When we divide faces adjacent to ones previously divided, they will now divide differently. This is because they now have 4 sides made up of multiple segments. With an understanding of how faces will divide using the Quad Divide tool and a little planning, a mesh can be very quickly built up for future detailing. Note the division pattern on the faces as we pan around the object. Also note the concave faces that were not divided. Insert the subdivided steeple into the object library and rename it Steeple 2.